Your HVAC company should only work with rich people. And why do I say that? Is we all know the different types of customers. Rich customers, they want what they need to get done and they don't really care for the price. What they want you to do is show up on time, explain everything that's going on in their home and fix it promptly and make this process as easy as possible. So become an contractor that's super organized, that answers calls on time, sends proposals right then and there, and make everything clear for the customer. The more rich customers you'll be able to attract by doing all these things.